Hey, what's up, you guys? What's up, Bridge Street Labs? IO Focus here. Getting to know some of y'all more. Just want to talk about today market, the reaction, right? Obviously, on the news of the SEC losing, we have this explosion here in the market. Things look really great. Looking here, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, putting in 6-7% gains, and then obviously, down below we could trace some smaller caps, and you'd see even more. Looking here at gainers and losers, Cyber Connect 45%, Flex down 76. Woo. Ben Coin up 24%. That's wild. Sad to hear about him. I think Ben as in Ben Armstrong of BitBoy Crypto. Yeah, his brighter days for him. Unfortunately, not anytime soon. I don't think. Anyways, moving on. Let's look at the charts because as well as looking at, I wanted to bring over here real quick. Look at the charts. Some things I want to bring to your attention. Some things to look at. Bitcoin here, right? Woo, that was a mighty candle, a mighty powerful candle. And if you look closely, right? On this is on a 1 hour, but even time frame, we had this impulse move right here. A little bit of sell off, right? Right here at this 27.4 level, and then took us all the way up to test 28. This is where some liquidity is going to be sitting that in the future will be something to look at as a level. This 2800. I said earlier on this move up, I'd like to see 27.3 area hold, which is right below here. So right this area, which is right above the daily VWAP, coming in at 27.250. Anyways, yeah, you can see here, kind of a little bit of fake out. Even we had lower lows and a higher low and then a lower low. But really, this is more narrative driven, I feel like, than necessarily just TA, obviously. Giant break of structure and, out. All right, moving on. As Bitcoin's cooling off, I feel like, looking at Ethereum here, this was all driven New York. This all happened in the New York session. So it'll be interesting to see what happens overnight, especially in Asia, Sydney, where, people were sleeping. Something else I want to talk about here, looking at ETH BTC chart, right? This is ETH versus Bitcoin, or Ether paired in Bitcoin. We can see here for the first time since, well, you could say this was a rally here back on the 22nd. But really, the 17th, this was a huge difference. Will ETH catch a break here and start, to outpace Bitcoin? This will be something to watch. This is definitely a pretty strong level, in the past that we fought. Going back, looking here, to come up to something like this, where we were back in June, that would be amazing. Can we get there? 12%, it's possible. But yeah, guys, as we get closer and closer to halving, it'll be really time for Litecoin and Bitcoin to shine, and then everybody else will put in the work, Ethereum. Also looking here at total 3, right, guys? Total 3, this is total market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is good to see some new inflows. You can see here we are pushing up against this resistance level, the market cap at 336.24 billion. But yeah, this shows, the strength we had just now, or at least, the rally in altcoins. That's a nice trend. Let's hope we can keep that. Trying new views, new setups, guys, here with cameras and everything else, but really want to be able to do this on the fly and do it more often.